Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi 14. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in the box you will find here on top another white box, and if you open it you will see the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone, so please take care, use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle. Huh? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Press it well. This is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, as you can see, they are on top. Okay, and if you want, you can add now optional a second SIM card on the other side of the SIM tray. Add SIM 2. So place it the same way like the first one. Press it well, at this time on both sides. So if you have inserted two SIM cards, press it from both sides then that they were inserted. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner here on the SIM card, of course, and at the SIM tray as well. So it only matches like that. And the contacts, they are on top as well. Again, if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Make sure that the first SIM card is here on top then, so to the display side now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao!